Hello students, this is Remote Learning Initiative undertaken by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE. Myself Preetham De Silva, your SST teacher, and today we are going to deal with Standard 6th Geography, Chapter 6 Major Landforms of the Earth. Students, you must have seen some of the landform features as shown in the figure 6.1 below. You will notice that the surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. The earth has an infinite variety of landforms. Some parts of the lithosphere may be rugged, uneven surface, and some flat. These landforms are the result of two processes. You will be amazed to know that the ground you are standing on is slowly moving. Within the earth, a continuous movement is taking place. The first or the internal process leads to the upliftment and sinking of the earth's surface at several places. The second or the external process is the continuous wearing down and rebuilding of the land surface. The wearing away of the earth's surface is called erosion. The surface is being lowered by the process of erosion and rebuilt by the process of deposition. These two processes are carried out by running water, ice and wind. Broadly, we can group different landforms depending on elevation and slope as mountains, plateaus and plains. Mountains. Students, mountains are natural elevations of the earth's surface. They are higher than the surrounding area. Some of them are even higher than the clouds. The climate of mountains is harsh, which makes them less suitable for human habitation. Mountains have steep slopes, hence farming is quite difficult here. Students, mountains may be arranged in a line known as range. Many mountain systems consist of a series of parallel ranges extending over hundreds of kilometers. The Himalayas, the Alps, and the Andes are mountain ranges of Asia, Europe, and South America. Mountains vary in their heights and shape. Students, mountains are of three types: fold mountains, block mountains and volcanic mountains. Fold mountains. The Himalayan mountains and the Alps are young fold mountains. They have rugged relief and high conical peaks. The Aravalli Range in India is one of the oldest fold mountain system in the world. The Appalachians in North America and the Ural Mountains in Russia are very old fold mountains. Block mountains. Students, these are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. The uplifted blocks are known as hosts and the lowered blocks are called graben. The Rhine Valley and the Vosges Mountain in Europe are examples of such mountain systems. Volcanic mountains. They are formed by the volcanic activity. Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa and Mount Fujiyama in Japan are examples of such mountains. Students, mountains are very useful to man in a variety of ways. Mountains are storehouse of water, which is the basic need of the human beings. Reservoirs are made and the water is harnessed for the use of people. Water is used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. The river valleys and terraces are ideal for cultivation of crops. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. The forests provide fuel, fodder, shelter, and the other products like gum, raisins, etc. Mountains provide an idyllic site for tourists. They visit the mountains for their scenic beauty. Several sports like paragliding, hang gliding, river rafting, and skiing are popular in the mountains.